Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama here. Welcome for another skincare video. Today we are making this body butter. This one is for extra dry skin, so if you are someone that suffer from dry skin, you would definitely benefit from this body butter. Today's cream is very thick and heavy, and it's made for someone that is suffering with that extra dry skin. It is fully loaded with all the nutrients and butters that are made to just relieve that dryness and give you a very smooth and soft skin. Well guys, before we get started, please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button, join the family, help your sister grow on this channel. Okay, leave me a very big thumbs up, and if you have any question, leave me a comment down below and share with your friends and family. Sharing is caring. And before you say I'm talking too much, let's get to today's video. Okay guys, so today we are making an emulsifying body butter, which means that we have water and oils. Okay, the first ingredient I'm using here is cetyl alcohol. It's a very fatty alcohol, very moisturizing. It helps you thickening your product. And the next product I'm adding here is an emulsifier. The one I'm using today is BTMS 50. You can use the emulsifier of your choice. I will be adding 3 butters today. The first one I'm adding here is shea butter, and this is the one that will help repair that extra dry skin if you're already suffering from that. The next butter I'm adding is mango butter, and mango butter is known for its extra moisturizing ability. The last butter is Kokum butter. This one is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and this will help you repair as well as heal your skin from dryness. To finalize our oil stage, we are going to add almond oil. Almond oil is a very conditioning and very moisturizing oil that will heal and repair any damage to your skin when it comes to dryness. Our butters are ready. The oil phase is complete, so now it's time to move on to our water phase. Our water phase consists of distilled water, and I am going to go ahead and leave all the measurement in the description box, so please refer to the description box today for all the measurements that I use to this butter. Into my water, I am adding my oatmeal. This is not just your regular oatmeal that you just grounded. This is a very fine grinded one. Is made for using for like soap or cosmetics, because you do not want any particles on your butter. If you have an oatmeal that still has some particle in there, you might want to drain it into a very fine, smooth liquid before you continue with your process. To this water phase, I am going to add aloe vera gel as well. I do have a video on my channel on how I make aloe vera gel from scratch, so you can refer to that video to create yours. And once my water phase and my oil phase are complete like this, I will be using the double boiling method to melt my butters and also bring my water content into the same temperature. Once all I completed, I will be transferring this into another bowl to make it easier for me to mix both products together. Now that both our solutions are in one bowl, it is time for us to get our hand blender, and you're going to continue blending this together and mixing everything together until you can see that everything has combined and joined together. As you can see, our butter looks very liquid right now, and that's the beginning part of it. As it cools down, it will be thickening and getting thicker and getting thicker. To speed up the process, you can use cold water on the bottom of your bowl, just like I'm doing now. I put some cold water on another pan and I place my bowl on top of it while I'm still mixing my butter. This is just to speed up the process of the cooling down. As you guys can see, my butter has completely cooled down and it is time to add our preservative and other oils that we may want to add for fragrance and everything. I am adding my preservative here. I'm adding some vitamin E oil and I will be adding my fragrance oil just for the fragrance of it. Today my fragrance oil, I'm using coconut and vanilla combined, and you can use any fragrance oil of your choice. After you add your preservatives and your oil, fragrance oil, you do want to give this butter a nice mix so that everything will be nicely combined, because you want your preservative to be well mixed into this butter so it does not go bad. And once you give it a big stir and all combined together, it is time to find yourself a bottle and to bottle your butter and start using it. You can adjust the thickness of this butter. As you can see, we started with a very liquid butter and now it became this thick. If you want it to be more liquid, then your water contents need to be more than your oil content. And this is just so creamy, very moisturizing, and it just feels so good on my skin. It melts like a butter, like it is, and it just disappears, and it's not too greasy on your skin. It just feels very soft and it leaves your skin very, very soft and moisturized. Alright guys, so if you have found this video beneficial at all, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, a big one, not a small one, a very big one. I will really appreciate it. Leave me a comment if you have any question, share with your friends and family, and guys, please subscribe to the channel. It really will help your sister grow, so please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button and on the notification button as well, so you do not miss any video from me. I will leave all the info about this butter on the description box, the measurements that I used today and all the ingredients, so you can check that out for yourself and make your own butter. Until next time guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.